Hey, what's going on guys? I'm SSA Mentor back with a new video, and so in this video we'll be learning to make dancing text animation in a very quick time with simple method. Let's get started. So first take the new composition and the ratio you take 1920 by 1080p with 30 fps. First need to go through to my folder and drag down the video which I already downloaded for this tutorial. Adjust the video and then enable the text mode. So I will type in some random text like 7th season, which may be suitable for our video. Now select the text and go to the character panel to change the color of this text. It's time to animate the text. Go to animate property and select scaling section. Once you have done that, we have to animate option and simply go to selector and add Wiggly. Let's go to Wiggly scale section and change the value of scaling. Here we go. It seems like our text is already dancing and have some enough movement. Now go to range selector section and set the endpoint on 0. Add a keyframe 0 and then move forward some frames to add another frame 200. Now we can see the animation comes in a manner one by one. This feels a very simple animation, so I want to make it advanced type of animation. I want my text comes behind the tree. Let's duplicate the video layer. To do this, we need to use masking tool for the video. So if you are not efficient in masking, let's practice this first and try to make your masking more clean near the edges. Once you have done that, drag the text behind the masked video layer. Perfect. So the text hide behind the layer. Okay, select pen tool again and create mask in text layer. Here we use the same process of text follow path which we already learned before some video. Now what? We want the text to come in a efficient and smooth style. We can adjust it better to make the text arrival smoother. Better. Now we want to add more elements in our text. Go to effects and presets, search for color gradient effect. Drag the effect on our text layer. Once we drop the effect, we have noticed the sudden change in text color. Set the color and all these color enhance the text appearance. Now it will be more exciting if we change the color point and add some keyframes for point. Once you have done, with all the keyframes, we can notice some color animation when our text appear from behind. Now our text is popping in style and thereby it continues dancing throughout the video. Give us thumbs up and I hope the video is helpful for you. I will be back with some more interesting video. Thanks.